Hello traders, this is Alla on October 17th. Here's S&P 2008. This is a chart we are addressing in Fibonacci Mastery course. This is Fibonacci reversal zone on S&P in 2008. When I recognized very clearly that market is Fibonacci puzzle. When price comes to reversal zone, price collapses completely 80+% of the time. I recognized very clearly that trading on fundamentals, earnings and news does not work. That Fibonacci will give you much more accuracy, much more power, and Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the markets that you can use on any instrument you choose. This is 2008. Today I celebrate 10 years of work with price action and Fibonacci. And today when I look on S&P weekly, charts are twins. Formations in the markets are 99% identical. This is market now. Ouch. Knowing what to do with your position is a key. This is key institutional support present in front of you for years. Let's walk down memory lane. As the historical events and historical formations is the market now, is the reason I'm offering Fibonacci Foundations course first time ever. As first time since 2008, we're seeing identical market structure. So, price action patterns keep repeating itself. Let's walk down memory lane on S&P, shall we? This is chart on S&P present in the trading room since 2011. This is correction on monthly 2014, 2015, 2016. What do you see on this chart? Bullish rally in a progress 2013, price is taking a pause at the end of the minor trend for a couple of months. As you learn in the course, day one, price is telling you very clearly, buyers fully in charge, expect this level to be broken. This morning S&P is weak, could not break through this level. 2013 market breaking through 1600 with vengeance and trend goes on. Price taking a pause at decision point 2, your key Fibonacci target, your key trend level, and start putting you through pain and torture 2014, 2015, 2016. What was the most crucial moment in the market in 2016, 2015, 2014? 1800 number. Key Fibonacci support. Very similar formula with what we dealt this morning on day trading chart at 2800 number. What do you see price had done? Price respected this key support. And as you know, skyrocketed and reached 2200, 2400, 2600, 2800 next. This key support was holding the key. This is your investment decisions. If you would like a little bit closer look on S&P, let's take a look on S&P weekly charts, where trend inception was in a play. 1800 number. Price came to the end of the minor trend 2200, taking a massive pause, showing you key support and key resistance, end of minor trend 1950, 2000 level, and institutional resistance 2200, showing you if buyers will step in with vengeance, bullish rally will go on to 2300 and 2500 next. Do you remember election night? It was spectacular, it was flawless. What was our bullish bias? It was firmly bullish. Why? Because when price collapsed from this key Fibonacci support, 2000 number and 1950 were holding the key. We did not care if Monkey won the election. All we cared about, key Fibonacci support. Buyers stepped in with vengeance and price continued higher up as expected. Did not matter who won the election. Key Fibonacci support was respected. Bullish rally went on. Reminding you, Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market. Day trading is not your cup of tea. Use everything you learn for long-term investment positions when you have to spend less than few minutes per week in front of the screen. This is what price had done next, as expected. As we've been discussing in the course for months, market is a disaster. Overextended bullish rally in a whole lot of pain. Not the place to buy. And this is market today. Very dangerous, very nasty. This is where buyers coming from. Key institutional support. Do not short. Again, all present in front of you for years and years and years and months in advance. What you decide to trade, absolutely up to you. Very disappointing that this bright green line was not respected in the trading room this morning. On monthly chart it was. But as we discussed, if price collapsing to here, it's even better thing. Because lower the price collapses, better market will be. Shock or not, the end of the minor trend in a play. Key support respected, present in front of you, hours in advance. Correct, we discussed that buyers had been very weak this morning. But as this key Fibonacci support respected, this was exact same discussion we had on Netflix before earnings. It's all the same. Rules are met, take a trade. Buy at trend inception. Only if rules are met. If not, pay attention to key Fibonacci support. Never short. Rules are met, take a trade. This is rule-based, indicator-free method. What you want to trade, absolutely up to you. Choice is yours. It is that simple. We're at historical levels in the market, traders, across the board. Market will become more volatile, market will become more dangerous. All you have to do is be prepared. And if you are prepared, ultimate market volatility means ultimate market opportunities for knowledgeable trader. Gold is dancing at key support. Cannot short. Look at gold. Do you remember S&P this morning when I said buyers are weak? Do you know what this means on gold? Do you remember where gold collapsed from before? Buyers had been extremely weak. If gold is breaking through this level, it means a whole lot. However, I certainly hope that gold will collapse lower again and will not break through this resistance. It's all the same. This is key Fibonacci resistance on S&P, just like on Netflix, in front of you every day, key Fibonacci support. Do you want to trade Netflix? Do you want to trade gold? Choice is yours. It's all the same. Exact same formula. If buyers remain weak, not much here for us to do. Market in pain. I've learned my lessons of '08. This was the stock I was holding. Chesapeake Energy almost stopped existing. CNBC screaming, hold the stock. Don't get out of the market. I'm so glad I learned my lessons in '08. I respect news only due to volatility. I respect news only due to power and sharp formations. Fibonacci will override any news. When price comes to reversal zone, price reverses completely 80+%. Just like oil is doing right now on institutional charts. Not the place to buy oil, the place to exit. And as you remember when oil stepped in with vengeance from this key support in 2016 and struggled at famous 55 number for over a year. Buyers were weak. But just like during election on S&P, buyers stepped in with vengeance, key support was respected. Will S&P do the same now? Just like Netflix? Will be so refreshing. Every day, every time, exact same formula in front of you in the trading room. What you decide to trade, absolutely up to you. We continue dealing with very weak buyers this morning. Why? Institutional bullish push from reversal zone overextended. Market in a bit of a pain. But as I said to you, if this level respected, it means bearish trend is as weak as bullish. Key support respected. Will buyers pick up the steam? It would be such a beautiful thing. Knowledgeable trader buys as low as possible, not as high as possible. That remains the key. S&P doing exact same thing as Tesla done yesterday. Chart present in front of you for years. This is your investment decisions. This is your day trading accuracy. To the tick. Exact same thing happening on Facebook. The end of the minor trend, key support respected. No surprise where Facebook had been selling off from the entire year. This is your range on Facebook, knowing the rules for your trade before you ever place a trade. Never pull a trigger randomly, ever. Ever. No matter what you trade. Only if rules are met, you can take a trade. So if you would like to join us in Fibonacci Foundations course, you can sign up any day. Fibonacci Foundations course for limited time only, first time ever since 2008. I offer in very basic and very simple format. In Fibonacci Foundations course, you learn how to trade indicator free. You learn the basics and foundations of the method and how much price can tell you without any news, without any indicators. You learn how to set up Fibonacci tool on the platform of your choice, and you learn how to trade alpha Fibonacci strategy. If you cannot come to the class on Thursday, class will be recorded. Limited time, limited space only. If you would like to dive right in to the entire course with all of its complexities without taking the pause into foundations, into the basics of price, and taking a look across all the multiple instruments going back all the way to 2008 and now, I look forward to seeing you in Fibonacci Mastery Group course. Be prepared. Live classes every day, videos and modules included. Course 12 weeks. It's never a requirement to attend on classes, ever. Never, ever, ever. You want to work one-on-one? Only one space available for private mentoring. We concentrate on the instrument of your choice one-on-one. We trade on the platform of your choice one-on-one. If you want to have charts identical to mine, I set up NinjaTrader 7 for you and charts and Fibonacci tool identical to mine. 6 months course you can extend to 1 year if you like. Never a problem. You have access to all group classes too, Fibonacci Foundations and Fibonacci Mastery Group course. So, endless testimonies from students. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Ultimate place to see the testimonials and read to the students on testimonials page. Students become my dearest friends for life. See what they're accomplishing on different instruments, from option trader to stock trader, to ETF trader, from beginner trader to Forex trader, anything and everything. Alpha Fibonacci method applies too. If beginner trader do it, what is stopping you? Listen to Pablo. He's on the way to become professional trader. He never pushed the button on his computer. Started about a year ago. Listen to Brad. Why does he want to learn more? Listen to Victor. Forex trader. Just met with Victor in Europe. He's trading large Forex accounts and options. Choice is yours, what you want to trade. If you have any questions, please review the information on the website and do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 and info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.